told me.
Yeah, I said okay.
Hold on, I just started a video. Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I sounded like Ken when I said that.
Yeah. So,
I'm sorry, I didn't. Okay, guys, so we're gonna change it up a little bit. We have it's an 87.
something like that.
87.
It's okay because this camera probably didn't work.
Yeah, my brand new camera probably locked up anyway. You didn't get it. Guys, we got a freaking 87 F150, and I just want to show you this for all you guys up north. Yeah, see? Come down south. So we've got 87 F150 and manual trans, and wait for it. No, guys, it's not a Coyote. I know you think it's a Coyote. No, we got a 347 with a Phytech.
Brand new.
Brand freaking, this is Summit crate motor, isn't it?
Yes.
Look, it even says it on the valve covers, 347 stroker.
Okay.
So what is this? Maybe that's good. No. But yeah, guys, so basically we got no spark. It got dropped off this morning, local guy. Yes, there's all his stock on it. Yeah, there's a TFI module plug. And so we have no spark at all. And
we got Jason here to handle it.
Jason's gonna take care of it today. But yeah, guys, we're gonna try and get this thing running somehow, some way. Should be interesting. All right, let's get this beast in the shop.
This is heavier than a Mustang.
Yeah, this is a little bit. Watch the red car over there.
Shit, watch the black car.
Yeah, you might want to. You're getting close. This thing's got a good turning radius for a truck.
If you hit mine, just hit it good enough to make it insurance.
Just make sure it's totaled, right? It's got all the extra parts in the back too.
I don't want a halfway hit. I want to hit.
Exactly. I just want you guys to know you're doing a great job.
Go down, push.
No, I've got my hand right there. See, I'm pushing.
He's caressing.
I just want to make sure it doesn't fall backwards.
Works I've done all week.
So, what's I don't even know where to start. Got all the Phytech wiring there, and then got all the factory wiring over here.
See that? I don't know what size. You see that 85?
Yep. Sure enough. Probably a
347. It got to be pretty big.
yeah. 347 stroker. Look, you got these spiffy. Look, yeah. Pretty wild.
Edelbrook RPM.
Interesting. Some BBK headers.
Probably pretty stout engine.
Yeah, it ought to be. He said he's got a pretty healthy cam in it too, so maybe we'll get this thing running. All right, boys. So distributor's not going to work, so we got to get either a MSD box or another distributor or both.
Yeah.
One of the two. Yeah. So no love on the stroke 347 F150, but we'll get some parts out here and
Clean some of his up.
yeah, do a little wiring help on it, and should be fun. Gotta love these old F150s, especially 4x4. All right, guys, we've got a full freaking house today. We got some issues with the pedal on that one. We got the I think Alex has been working on the black truck. Got it looking good. We got cars everywhere. God, Jason's hooking up the trailer. What the heck, dude? What happened?
Oh God! He said no comment. Better not put that on there.
No comment, right?
Yeah, don't put that on there.
Okay, yeah, we won't talk about that.
Don't know what happened.
No, nothing at all. Yeah,
I told him I don't let just anybody borrow this thing.
yeah, exactly.
He said, "Well, I'm gonna bring it back." I said, "I just don't let anybody borrow it."
It's ridiculous, or what?
It's beautiful. Man.
It's just ridiculous. Did you ever get that 2% window tint off?
Rick Bro didn't ever call me. He supposed to done my windows too.
He's slacking.
You done all your video, but you didn't show the headliner.
Huh?
You didn't show the headliner I built.
Oh.
So I cut the headliner in half, 2 of them.
Oh, did you really?
And put them together, made one.
Damn. I've never heard that car run.
I've never heard of it.
So it doesn't sound horrible, does it?
Oh, he stay behind them other cars, boy. It looks fine.
Yeah, just don't look at. So, you got that Gen 5 Whipple ordered yet, Alex?
No.
No?
Wait on you to just call Whip up. Say, look, let me Whip. So we just put on here.
Yeah.
Send me 2.
I saw this thing coming down the road the other day. I was like, God bless.
He
Whew.
wants it, but he can't fit in it.
Who?
Antonio.
Yeah.
He sits there, his knee, you can see his knee with that window dip down in the door. His knee right there. Serious. Put a bump on.
All right, we're gonna get the big 4x4 out. God, we will have more very shortly. We'll get this thing running. Do some 4x4 burnouts, maybe? Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, that should be good there. Alex, I want you to know you're doing a great job.
Privet picked it up a long time ago.
All right, so next project.
Let me move my truck.
Huh? Yeah, don't hit the black truck. We got pedal issues with Steve's car. Yeah. He still didn't get the mirror caps done. Oh, jeez. Yeah, the Coyote swapped 07 GT having some issues. All right, guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. Like I said, lots more coming for the truck. We're gonna get this bad boy running, and excited to take it down the road. You gotta love these old clean Ford trucks. I mean, they just like basically the same era, you know, 87, 89. Gotta love it. So that is what is up, guys. Like I said, you can see we got a yard full of stuff going on here. Lots more coming as always for Project 4 to 8, for the red car, for the Bimini car, and of course it's show car season, race season, all that. So we'll be at the track, be hitting up some events, planning to do some meet and greets like we did back in 2019. Then of course 2020 happened and we didn't get to do any of the meet and greets, so definitely looking forward to doing some of those. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.